Make a great choice today with the 2024 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, heated front seats, trip computer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.